So the 8 qualifiers, just before we go to the boys under 17, for the final of the girls under 18, Malia Duncan unattached was the fastest time in the semis. The only girl sub 12 at 11.96. Azaria Harris, Convent of Mercy, 12.19. Daniela Clark, we just saw her, 12.20. Trisha Lee Sutherland, Clarendon College, 12.25 with her teammate Taniqua Moulton, also of Clarendon College, 12.29. And then Shaden Jarrett, William Nib, 12.31. And the 2 by time, Shadi Allen, Homewood Tech, 12.33. And Venetia Pottinger, we just saw her at 12.33 as well from Mount Alvernia. So those are our 8 finalists.
Right, so we're on now to the under 18 boys semifinals. The 100 meters, the 2 semifinals here, top 3, and then the next, the 2 best times.
So we're going to have 2 semifinals because we actually had the first round yesterday, as you recall, Jermaine, viewers, listeners. And here's the lineup for.
Yep, so here we go. Devonnie Jones listed for 1. Nathan Bryan in 2. Byron Walker, 3. Anthony Rochester, 4. Tariq Bennett in 5. Full field, Kai Kelly in 6. Howling favorite Michael Graham will be in 7. And Jamani Griffiths will be in lane 8. Of course, the exciting Kai Kelly. He runs from lane 6. The Class 2 100-meter champion at Champs this year. His first year of Class 2, by the way. Number 462, this is Devonnie Jones of Rossies, comes in with a qualifying time of 11.42.
Young Jones representing the western end of the island.
This is Nathan Bryan representing St. George's.
My friend Neville Bell always says STGC has won Champs twice, and he's right. Granted, it happened almost 100 years ago.
11.43 in qualifying. This is Byron Walker of Hydel, formerly of Calabar. He'll be running from lane 3, 11.24 in qualifying.
Looking to see what shape he's in.
Okay, also a 200-meter runner.
Beside him, Anthony Rochester of Titchfield.
He got sub 11 yesterday in the heats. He looks really good. 10.97 his time.
On screen now is Tariq Bennett.
One of the fastest from qualifying.
11.13. On screen, Kai Kelly, the big favorite from Jamaica College, runs from lane 6.
The baby of the bunch, the fastest personal best in the field, yet he's the shortest in the field. Kai Kelly of Jamaica College ran 10.85 yesterday, but has already done 10.28 this year.
Certainly not short in speed. Michael Graham of Excelsior, the former Class 2 100-meter champion from last year. Good jumper as well. Runs from 7. And on screen, this is Jamani Griffiths of St. Jago.
So Kai Kelly and Michael Graham perhaps have not raced each other much, Dwayne,
No,
Jermaine.
Certainly haven't.
Because Kai, being Class 2, and
Graham has moved up to Class
1. First year 1.
Yes.
So a first year 1 against a first year 2. Again, this is one of the really great things about these age group championships that we know are in under 18, as opposed to the Class 1 and 2 and 3 at Champs.
Indeed. So they settle inside their blocks. Full field. Jones of Rossies 1. Bryan St. George's 2. Walker Hydel 3. Rochester in 4. Bennett in 5. Kelly in 6. Graham in 7. And Griffiths in lane 8. Three short to advance. Set position. Sent off. First time of asking. Clean break. Walker gets out quickly. Graham has some work to do. So too Kelly. Kelly now steps forward, takes charge, and brings Graham with him. Top 2, along with Walker of Hydel. So those 3 look to have secured their place in this evening's final. Kelly left it a bit late, but as expected, came through for the win.
You know, with his stature, a lot of people think he'd have a great start. Start wasn't the best here. In fact, at this point, you'd think Michael Graham may have been out in front. But once Kai Kelly gets up out of that drive phase and starts to lift those knees, you're going to see him pull away almost every single step on that track. Gets him to the front. He's now confident he's going to win. Eases off the gas, says, I'm going to save the rest of it for the finals this evening.
And that shows a lot of confidence in his ability, being able to not panic when the field is ahead of you and trust that your top end will take you forward.
Yeah, definitely a confident sprinter.
Here are
Kai
the
Kelly.
times.
So Kelly 10.65, Graham 10.75, Walker 10.81, Rochester at 10.84 waits to see if he advances. Bennett, Bryan, Griffiths, and Jones round out the field.
So one of the things that we're watching closely as well, the wind readings. Wind still negative, times faster than we saw yesterday.